What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So if the Canon R7 was Batman, these are the lenses that would absolutely be Robin or Alfred or the guy in the chair helping from the van. So today we're talking about 3 absolute bangers of lenses that I trust with my life, or at least with my Instagram feed. Same thing these days, right? We've got reach, we've got range, and we've got real estate so wide that it makes your cousin's fish story look believable. So first up, the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter EF, aka the Sniper. I'm not saying I use this lens to photograph birds from 3 zip codes away, but I could, and I have. Those birds never saw it coming. This thing turns the R7 into a tactical wildlife missile. It zooms in so far, I once counted the eyelashes on a hawk. It was judging me. The pros? Well, the absolute unit of reach. Paired with the R7, this focal length is equal to 240 to 960 millimeters, which is insane. It's surprisingly sharp, even at full stretch, and it's actually kind of budget friendly. The cons? Well, it's heavy. Like, why are my traps sore? That heavy. And it's not a fan of low light. It needs the sun like I need coffee. So next is the Canon 24 to 105 millimeter f4L lens. Now, this lens is a golden retriever. Always there, always ready, and always loyal. If this lens had a Tinder bio, it would just say, down for whatever. Vlogging? Yes. Landscapes? Also yes. I love it. It lives in my bag no matter what I'm shooting. The pros? Well, it's a Swiss Army knife of lenses. It's wide enough for landscapes and gives just enough zoom for any unexpected wildlife encounters. Plus, it shoots macro. Great stabilization as well, and stays sharp across the range. The cons? Well, f4 isn't exactly bokeh masterclass, but if used right, you can still get pretty blurry backgrounds. The biggest cons is you'll start to depend on it, like dangerously so. Alright, so last but not least, the Sigma 14mm f2.8 spherical lens. The wide boy. The I can see your soul and the corner of your living room at the same time lens. It's absurdly wide, like, did I mean to get my elbow in that shot wide? The pros? Well, it's ultra wide with minimal distortion, which means that there's less work in post. Now, this lens is also a secret weapon when it comes to astrophotography and getting amazing night skies. And it's sharp enough to make your grandma's roast look soft. The cons? You will accidentally get your feet in the frame. Just accept it. So there you have it. My personal holy trinity for the Canon R7. There's the Sniper, the versatile Beast, and the wide-angle Wizard. Let me know down in the comments what your go-to lens setup is for any camera, not just the R7. I'm curious to any similarities or differences. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Also, visit my website jeff-gresham.com to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll catch you later.